Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SST teacher. As you all know that your second semester examination is over, and now today we are going to start our third semester syllabus, and in SST we have three parts, you all know, and in history we have to study about only two chapters, that is the flowering of regional cultures, and second, that is new political formations in the 18th century, and move towards geography. In geography you have to study two chapters. First, that is human environment, second, means of transport and communication, and second chapter, that is land and the people, case studies. And now move towards civics. In civics you have to study about only one chapter, okay, markets around us, and unpackaging gender is already studied in second semester. By mistake in your syllabus it is given two chapter, okay, but you have to study only one chapter in third semester. Okay beta, got it? Is it clear? Okay, so first of all, before starting we have first we will start history portion. In history we have to study chapter 10, okay, chapter 10. The name of chapter is the flowering of regional cultures, okay, flowering of regional cultures मीन्स क्षेत्रीय संस्कृतियों की जो उत्पत्ति है उसके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, स्टडी करेंगे, ओके. In this chapter we have to study some topics. Let us go through some important topics of this chapter. First, that is growth of regional languages and literature. First, growth of regional languages and literature in the north, AD 800 to 1200, and second, that is growth of regional languages and literature in the south, AD 800 to 1200, and next, that is growth of regional languages and literature during the Sultanate period 1206 to 1526 AD, okay, and that second one, the growth of regional languages and literature during the medieval Mughal period, that is 1526 to 1707 AD. Okay, these are the topics which we have to study in this chapter. And other topic, that is next move towards growth of paintings during the medieval period. First, our growth took place in field of painting. First, move towards North India, 800 AD 800 to 1200 AD, and next move towards growth of paintings in South India, AD 800 to 1200, and next move towards growth of painting during the Sultanate period, that is 1206 to 1526, and then move towards Mughal growth of paintings under the Mughals, AD 1526 to 1707. And next topic, let's move towards growth of music and dance in the medieval period, 8th to 18th century. Again, growth of music also took place in North India, 800 to 1200. Okay, and then let's move towards another topic, that is growth of music under Delhi Sultans, AD 1206 to 1526, and next growth of music and dance under the Mughals, and also development of regional culture in Odisha, and also case study. These are the topics which we will discuss in this chapter, in chapter 10. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. Today we have taken two topics, that is first one, that is introduction, and first topic of this chapter we will start today, that is growth of regional languages and literature. Especially we will talk about North India AD 800 to 1200. Okay, got it beta? So let's start history portion in this chapter 10, that is the flowering of regional cultures. Regional means Kshatriya, culture means Sanskritiya. Okay, got it? So open your book, take pencil with you, underline all the tough words and write down its meaning. If possible, write its meaning in rough copy by numbering and by writing date. Okay, got it? Yes. The medieval period from the 8th to the 18th century saw the development of regional languages, literature, paintings and music. We have seen that the period from 8th to the 18th century, we saw a lot of development in all fields, mostly in literature, also in development in literature, development in languages, development in paintings and also development in musics. Okay, so in all this development, how developments took place and in which places this development took place, all this we will discuss one by one. So let's move towards growth of regional languages and literature. First, growth of regional languages and literature in the North India. First of all, we move towards North India, 800 to 1200. Okay, got it? Yes. Regional languages and literature made much progress in the North during this period. During this period, we are talking about medieval period 8th to 18th century. We are talking about here it is said that most of development took place during this period. In which field? Mostly in regional languages and literature. We are talking about regional languages and literature. Okay. Some of the kings, especially the Rajput kings, were great patrons of literature, and most of the kings of Rajput, they were fond of mostly they were fond of art and literature. Okay, patrons of literature. They were authors of fames, and also they were famous as authors by name and fame. Okay, and